today's vlog, you will listen to the story of the Battle of the Crabs, a retelling of a Philippine folktale. One day, the land crabs had a meeting, and one of them said, "What shall we do with the waves? They sing so loudly all the time that we cannot sleep." "Well," answered one of the oldest of the crabs, "I think we should fight them." The next day, all the male crabs got ready and went to the sea. Along the way, they met a shrimp. "Where are you going, my friends?" asked the shrimp. "We are going to fight the waves," answered the crabs, "for they make so much noise at night that we cannot sleep." "And I do not think you will succeed," said the shrimp, "for the waves are very strong and your legs are so weak. Let me help you." But what weapon do you have, friend shrimp?" asked the crabs. "My weapon is a spear on my head," replied the shrimp, and just then he saw a big wave coming and ran away. But the crabs did not see it, and they were covered with water and drowned. Many days later, thousands of little crabs appeared near the shore, and the shrimp often visited them and told them of the sad fate of their parents. Today, these little crabs can be seen on the shore. They seem to rush down to fight the waves, and then they run back to the land where their fathers lived. They do not live on dry land like their parents, nor in the sea where the other crabs are, but on the beach where the waves wash over them. Question time! What did the crabs try to battle? The waves. Why did the crabs want to fight them? The waves sing loudly. What trait did the crabs show? They are brave. Did being brave help them win the battle? No, because no one can beat the waves. Could the crabs have avoided losing the battle? How? Yes, they should have hid in the shrimp. Thank you guys for watching. Today you will know the story of the crabs that fight the waves. And today you will like, subscribe the bell button, and don't forget to save the people that are scared. Bye!